I don't want to be on the scale.
So this is Brian Smith. He's the ICF division leader here at Beatty Masonry. And the first project that's happening is stemming from this very room. It's the central nervous system. And this is George. He's an estimator par excellence. He's also got some pretty nifty software. And that's the project. And that project is being showed off by George in a BIM software model. And each wall is indicated in elevation and height in a 3D method. And each block, each ICF block, is true to dimension, and it's actually placed exactly where it's going to go during the construction process. So,
is there a stem wall on this?
Yes.
Is there a stem wall? So, oh, they're going underneath. So this is the below grade, and that's what the stem wall looks like.
How cool
That's
is that?
pretty amazing. So how many courses is that stem wall? It's almost 3 courses, 1.5 in some locations.
To the bottom of the slab?
Yeah. Remarkable. Remarkable. So George, say hi.
Hello.
And great job, and we are absolutely looking forward to building this. This is New Meadows Healthcare Facility. It'll be long-term healthcare, and it's going in Las Vegas, New Mexico.